My name is Ben Vital. I'm the owner-operator of Tabula Rasa Fine Auto Detailing in Chantilly, Virginia. Here today to explain to you some of our interior services and what they entail and how we can improve the look of the interior of your car. Our essential interior package is our start-out package, our most basic package. What we offer. It's for a car that's very well maintained, cleaned semi-regularly, isn't full of any heavy debris, dirt, food buildup, or anything like that. Still an intensive cleaning. We do a thorough vacuum on the car. We wipe down all the panels, clean the cup holders. Still a complete detail, but it's for a vehicle that isn't heavily soiled or has a heavy odor or anything like that in it. We have the optimum interior detail, which is for cars that are not regularly detailed, or you have pets, kids, you spill food, you have an odor issue inside the car. That's more of a heavy cleaning, which would involve steam cleaning and treating all the carpeted surfaces, a deep cleaning of the leather, really restoring the look of the inside of the car. We used all different tools in the Optimum package to really bring the car back to life. In addition to that, we also do other services depending on what condition the interior car is in. We do ozone treatments if you have heavy odor, cabin air filter replacements, if you're dealing with a certain smell and it just can't get out of the car. We also replace interior trim and other parts inside the car to bring the look of the vehicle back up to spec with what it should be. If you have a torn armrest, center console, any damaged vents, or any other interior pieces that would look better to be replaced. We offer a range of coatings and protectants for all your interior surfaces, whether it be the plastics, your leather, your cloth. Keep those protected after we clean them for you. If you have any other questions about any of our interior detailing services, feel free to reach out. We can do any job, big or small, and we can cater our packages to whatever your needs may be.